Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to our daily message. We're going to go ahead and read first together. So, hopefully, you've got your eyes and ears listening, your heart is caring, your brain is thinking, and your mouth is only saying the words on the page. So, watch as I point. August 26th, 2020. Dear boys and girls, it is going to be a hot day. And I am not a fan of the heat. Stay cool. Love, Miss Phrase. It's going to be in the 90s today, I believe, and I am not a fan. I do not like when it gets that hot. I can do warm weather, but that hot is awful. So you need to stay cool today. Let's go ahead and do that again. This time you echo when I point. So I say, then you say. August 26th. 2020. August 26th, 2020. Dear boys and girls. Dear boys and girls. It is going to be a hot day. It is going to be a hot day. And I am not a fan of the heat. And I am not a fan of the heat. Stay cool. Stay cool. Love, Miss Phrase. Love, Miss Phrase. Okay, now we're going to do it all together. So I'm going to try to pull this in a little closer so you can see. Actually, maybe if I move this up. All right, so I think you'll be able to see the words a little bit better this way. Let's go ahead and do a rocket ship countdown from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. August 26th, 2020. Dear boys and girls, it is going to be a hot day, and I am not a fan of the heat. Stay cool. Love, Miss Phrase. All right, let's do a word of space. We'll find all those spaces between our words. A word of space, 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 word of space, word of space, a word of space, a word of space, word of space, a 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 word of space, word of space, a word of space, a word of space, word of space, a word of space, a word of space. A word of space, a word of space, a word of space, a word of space. Did you say it with me? Did you find all those meatball spaces between our words? I hope you did. Now we're going to count our words, and I hope you'll count with me. Remember, counting is very good practice for all of us. So let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So today's message has 27 words. So I'm going to write 27 here. But what if I took one word away and I had one less? What is one less than 27? It should be the number you say when you are counting that you say right before 27. You can also think, well, what comes before 7 when I count? Well, 6 does. So it's 26. 26 is one less than 27. 26, 27. What would be one more than 27? If I added another word to our message, what would be one more word? Well, I can think, what's the next number when I count? 27, 28, because 8 comes after 7. So one less is 26, one more is 28. All right, let's go ahead now and count those, not popcorn words, but the letters. Remember, there will always be more letters than there are words because we put letters together to make words. The letters in a word are separated by spaghetti spaces, skinny spaces. Let's go ahead and count those letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. Oh my goodness, did you count that high with me? If you counted that high, you should pat yourself on the back. I know that there are a lot of really great counters in my class because I've heard so many of you count. But we have 83 letters. 83 is more than 27. 27 is less than 83. So let's say I take one of those letters off. Let's pretend like Miss Frase's last name doesn't need that letter. What number comes before 83 when I'm counting? What's one less than 83? Well, what comes before 3? 2 does. So 82 is one less than 83. What's one more than 83? Well, you have to think what comes after 83 when you're counting. What comes after 3? Well, 4 does. So 84 is one more than 83. Now I have written all of our popcorn words on cards. Let's practice these together. T-O-2, A-N-D, and, O-F, of, T-H-E, the. Let's see if you can find any of those. I might need to push this back just a little bit. I'm not going to worry about the date because it doesn't have that. So, did you catch that? A-N-D and? T-O, 2. Ah, there's A-N-D. If you caught it, good job. There's O-F, of. I hope you saw it. T-H-E again. There's the. All right, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 popcorn words. So let me write the number 5. And let's make that popcorn around it. And we have 5 popcorn words. Can you read them? And, to, and, of, the. Very, very nice job. I want to show you one last thing today. And we'll just talk about this sometimes for a little bit, and hopefully in the future we'll get more out of it. When you're writing, though, you might notice that there's a capital letter at the beginning of my sentence. When I'm writing, I use capital letters at the beginning of all of my sentences. So I have a sentence there and a sentence starting there. It's kind of like the go, the green for go. So that sentence is a go. It starts with a capital letter. And then at the end of a sentence, I see a period here and an exclamation point there. And those are our stopping spots. When you read, you kind of take a little pause there. For example, it is going to be a hot day and I am not a fan of the heat. Pause. Stay cool. Pause. So the end of the sentence will have either a period, an exclamation point, or a question mark that tells us how we're speaking. Are we asking a question? Or are we telling something? But you'll just start to notice that when you're reading, that all sentences start with a capital letter and they all end with either a period, an exclamation point, or a question mark. Have a great day, and I will see you later.